Hamzang Yukseoto, tini diringa ika polytechnic student jik chula tini ngatang ika semnyang se degree music nyampo jaltein tini kajuk ngata ladak se jakshi ngatang ika sistenuk tini diring ngatang chu loptuk mamang project nyampo tini ngata zes zete ngata lu zete tini yang mamang po ngata degree music mamang project duk tini nirang uni ziksa zat i degree mo.
Good afternoon, everyone. Especially afternoon. I'm Asma, and together we will be your guide through this lovely day. Today, the whole of our respected college resonate not just with the pursuit of knowledge, but also with the lovely spirit of fun and togetherness.
So, without any further delay, let's kick off this grand event, Ladakh Day. That was a quick and inspired start. Truly set the tone for the day, wouldn't you agree, Maxima?
I couldn't agree more, Abida, but the expedition doesn't stop here. It's getting started. So, firstly, we all sing our national anthem. So, I requested all of you stand up and please sing a song together.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजराती मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Say something about today's program.
Assembled faculty, staff and students of this institute, good afternoon and Jude. I welcome you on behalf of our students to this event. So it's really nice, our students, faculty, to see them in these traditional dresses. Maybe for the first time for me, you must have celebrated before also. So it is really appreciable that our students have taken efforts for this traditional day celebrations. I congratulate the organizing students as well as the other students who have participated or are in attending this session. So the such like things should go side by side, which we call co-curricular activities. Such activities are really welcome. So you should have in your time, chalo kundi. Why his dress is different? Is something different? Is it? Okay. Okay. It is a birthday dress. Okay. So students should always engage in such type of co-curricular activities which should go along with our curriculum. It's always welcome because it refreshes their mind and as well as makes you feel that the tradition of this, what is the essence of tradition for this particular area. So as I understand, Ladakh has a different tradition from as compared to the rest of the country. But people, I really appreciate that people live in such harsh conditions and really work hard for upkeeping their culture. And this region has definitely a vibrant effect on the other parts of the country as well as the world. So that's very nice that students are interested in maintaining such cultural activities, upkeeping such cultural activities of this particular region. So this region, I believe, has a different identity. So again, I wish you all the best for the today's program and for your academic excellence also. Thank you. From our end. Now, according to them, what I heard from the students, I thought as well as such things of this particular area that this is celebrated as a Ladakh Day and there is some span of time you may celebrate it for 10 days or some week, something like that. They told that they before, but they found they said that there are going to be preparations and the preparations are evident. I can see that they have come very
Now we start our today event. What do you think about Maximo?
Yeah, well, of course, Abida. So now, first of all, I would like to call Ayan Rahman to deliver a speech.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, on the behalf of Travel and Tourism, I, Ayan Rahman, deliver a speech on Ladakh Day. Ladakh is the highest plateau in India region, with the most of it being over 9,800 feet above the sea level. It is administered by the India as a union territory. It extends from the Sechin Glacier in the Karakoram Range to the north to the main Great Himalayas to the south. Ladakh has a long history with evidence of settlement, human settlement from as back as 9000 BC. Ladakh was known in the past by different names, Marut or lowland by some, Khajumpa. Fahin refers to it as Kaicha and Hunsam as Malafo. It has been crossroad of High Asia for thousands of the years and has seen many cultures, empires, and technologies born in neighbors' countries. As a result of this development, Ladakh has imported many traditions and culture from its neighbors and combining from its unique tradition and culture of its own. Most of the working population of the region, although tourism has become one of the main economic contributors of this region, as it is a famous of the remote culture, monastic traditions, landscape, and natural beauty, and most of all its family friendly people. Presently, Ladakh is facing different challenges such as the rapid climate change imposing threat to the year-long glacier which are receding at an alarming rate, which has been main source of water in this region. Secondly, the worst damage to the region is caused by unregulated tourism. The region with a population of more than 2,74,000 gets overcrowded by tourism. For instance, during the year 2022, in the month of June and July, around 2,50,000 visited Ladakh. With the result of underground water has been run out, particularly in the lake town, and also posing environmental threats through carbon emission and pollution. Diversification tourism in Ladakh is needed for the hours The government should take a strong initiative to promote the outdoor tourism and make conscious effort before we are faced with a much more dire situation than the ones we faced in the past. So thank you, have a nice day.
Thank you, Ayan.
Siya, yung ko ka masyado ko lang bukod doon. Ngayon po naglang doon.
खेलो अर्ज किया है यूं नहीं किसी के दिल से खेलो रिप्लाई नहीं करना है तो स्मार्टफोन बेच के नोकिया ले लो Okay, let's start begin. So now I welcome to my anchoring partner to deliver a speech on the topic the Ladakh Day.
Thank you, Masuma. Today my speech on the Ladakh. Ladakh of the high passes in a union territory in Ladakh, India. It is located between the Karakoram mountain region in the north and the many Himalayas to the south.